Hi and welcome to Froscher Talks. My name is Florian and today we are going to talk about Wayside Object Controllers and their interfaces. Object controllers for train detection or points provide a lot of data and information. But how is this data transmitted to the interlocking or other higher ranking systems? Data such as the free or occupied information of a track section or the point position can be transmitted either via parallel interfaces or much more efficiently and with more data via serial interfaces. This can be achieved, for example, via Ethernet and the UDP or TCP protocol. The advantages of serial interfaces are obvious. Less hardware, less cabling, more information, more flexibility. In addition, serial interfaces are also an enabler for the implementation of modern and intelligent architectures or the gradual replacement of old hardware. An overview of the operational interfaces highlights three key pillars: safety, diagnostics, and maintenance. Security, of course, also utilizes various interfaces for exchange of information and updates, but these are not covered in this episode. Let's start with the safety interface. The transmission of vital SIL4 data requires appropriate measures on the transmitter and receiver side and must fulfill the requirements for safe transmission system according to EN 50159, like safety architecture like a 2 out of 2 system, time and sequence monitoring, integrity protection, and many more. Various network protocols such as the standardized raster used in EULYNX or Froscher Safe Ethernet offer exactly these measures for the transmission of different application data in railway signaling technology. Following on from this, we can now focus on the diagnostic interface. Collecting, recording and pre-processing of diagnostic and condition data is one of the important tasks of an object controller, as well as providing this data via diagnostic interface to higher ranking systems. Communication protocols such as OPC-UA, a platform-independent standard for data exchange used in EULYNX, offer the possibility of providing data for different purposes to different higher ranking systems. Let's now have a closer look at which data is delivered by the object controller. For example, the operator may only be interested in high-level information such as the overall sum of errors, while the maintenance engineer needs much more detailed information for analysis and troubleshooting. Remote access for maintenance is an important feature of distributed object controllers, especially as these network devices must be kept up to date in order to prevent security risks. The challenge lies in managing and properly handling two complex processes in a safety-critical environment. On the one hand, a standardized procedure for loading of data and files onto the object controller, and on the other hand, rules for the recommissioning and the return to operation after an update. In conclusion, Wayside Object Controllers offer numerous advantages. However, they must be properly integrated, maintained and utilized according to the specific application. For more information, just tune in again and see you in the next episodes of Froscher Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.